Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wellnessity. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been making waves in the beauty world, the incredible benefits of onions for hair growth. Yes, you heard that right, the humble onion. Whether you're looking to boost your hair growth or just curious about natural remedies, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Onions have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but their benefits for hair growth are getting a lot of attention these days. Let's explore why onions are so effective and how you can use them to promote faster and healthier hair growth. First off, let's talk about why onions are good for your hair. Onions are packed with nutrients that can be beneficial for your hair. They are rich in sulfur, which is a key component of keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. Sulfur helps in the production of collagen, which in turn promotes hair growth. Sulfur from onions can also improve blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive more nutrients and oxygen. This can help in reducing hair fall and boosting overall hair health. Now, you might be wondering how to use onions for your hair. There are a few different methods, but the most common are onion juice and onion oil. Let's go through each one. To make onion juice, start by peeling and chopping a few onions. Blend them to make a fine paste, then strain the juice using a cheesecloth or a fine strainer. You can apply this juice directly to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out with a mild shampoo. You can do this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for best results. While the smell might be a bit strong, the benefits are worth it. Another option is to use onion oil. To make onion oil, you need to heat some coconut oil or olive oil and add chopped onions to it. Let it simmer on low heat until the onions turn brown, then strain the oil and let it cool. Apply the oil to your scalp and massage it gently. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing it out. This method not only provides the benefits of onions, but also nourishes your hair with the additional nutrients from the carrier oil. Research supports the effectiveness of onions for hair growth. A study published in the Journal of Onions also have antimicrobial properties that can help keep your scalp healthy and free from infections. While onions can be highly effective, it's important to note that individual results may vary. Always do a patch test before using onion-based products to ensure you don't have a sensitivity or allergic reaction. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and that you're excited to try onions for your hair care routine. If you have any questions or want to share your own onion hair growth experiences, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. For more tips and tricks, check out these videos.